Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about the new update in Hunyuan 3D version 2.5. If you haven't heard of it yet, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's break down what's new and how it makes creating 3D models even easier. For those new to Hunyuan 3D, it's an AI tool that takes your photos or sketches and turns them into detailed 3D models. Whether you're an artist, game developer, or just someone who loves bringing ideas to life, this tool is perfect for you. So, what's new in version 2.5? Let's get into it. First up, Hunyuan 3D can now create animated 3D characters from just one photo. You upload a picture, and the AI automatically generates a fully detailed 3D character, even filling in the back of the model, which used to be a tricky part. You can now add animations to your models like walking, jumping, and more. And it works seamlessly with Mixamo, so you can use pre-made animations for even more flexibility. Another exciting feature is the Surface Reduction AI. This smart tool simplifies complex models, which helps your computer run smoothly while you work, even on those super detailed designs. For artists, there's a Sketch to 3D tool. Just upload a sketch and a description, and it turns it into a 3D model. How cool is that? Now you can make over 20 models a day. Before, there was a limit, but now you can create way more. Now let me show you how it works. When you go to Hunyuan 3D, you'll see two options: Tuxing 3D, Image to 3D, and Wenxing 3D, Text to 3D. First, in Text to 3D, Wenxing 3D, it is super easy. Just type what you want, select version 2.5, and click Generate. That's it. In a few seconds, you'll have a 3D model based on your prompt. It makes 4 different 3D models for you, which is really generous. When they're ready, you can look through them and pick the one you like best. You'll see all the little details, like the textures, the lighting effects, and even tiny things like feathers or fur. It's actually super impressive, especially since it's free. Now, for Image to 3D, Tuxing 3D, you can create a model using one image or multiple images. If you're using one image, just upload a clear photo, choose version 2.5, turn on PBR maps if you want better textures, and click Generate. In seconds, your 3D model will be ready to download. If you want more accuracy, you can upload multiple images, like front, back, left, and right views. Then hit Generate, and you'll get a much more detailed and realistic model. That's it. Hunyuan 3D version 2.5 makes creating 3D models super easy. What do you think about this new model? Are you excited to try it out? If you liked this, hit the like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.